So, in case you're wondering what I'm listening to in this beautiful clip of me dancing by myself, it is Cold Damn Vampires by Zach Bryan. Highly, highly recommend. Now I'm setting up everything for the removal process of my structured gel manicure. In this clip and the next couple clips, I will be using a 5-in-1 drill bit from Kiara Sky, and then I will move on to my cuticle prep. To start, I'm pushing those cuticles back with a cuticle pusher. I'd recommend using a metal one just because they work better. And then I'm using a small ball bit to lift my cuticle, and I'm going with a sanding band. Here you can see me taking extra time to make sure each and every nail is filed to perfection. And then wait, look at that transition. Super cute. I am using Young Nail Swipe to get off all of the debris, and here's me admiring how gorgeous they look. Like, look at that. They look perfect. Like, literally perfect. And look at that smile in the background. Oh, and a beautiful kiss. Mwah. On to the fun stuff. Kiara Sky, Jelly Tips Extender, whatever, and then the protein bond from Young Nails. Now this clip is very sped up. Do not think that this is how I move in real life, because it is much, much slower, but I sped it up for your viewing pleasure. But as you can see, I'm getting up close and personal with the builder gel. Make sure it's nice and level and perfect. As you can see, I'm scrubbing the gel into my nail for extra adhesion, and now I'm floating the builder gel over my nail to create a perfect apex by flipping it upside down like this. It's allowing the product to self-level, creating a beautiful end result, as you can see here. And what are we doing now? Oh, lamp time. Gotta cure that baby. 60 seconds, and oh, beautiful.
So I just finished doing the builder gel on both of my hands. After I applied the gel polish, I filed underneath each nail to get a crisper shape, and that filing does two things. Once you apply the builder gel and file after, gives you a crisper shape. The second thing it does, though, is it immensely helps with the retention of your structured gel manicure. And the reason for that is that when you go and file under your nails at this angle here, so like my nail is here, if you're filing like this, so I don't know exactly what angle it is, but it's slightly elevated, not completely flat or anything, but slightly elevated like this, and you're filing. What that does is take a tiny amount of your natural nail and it files it back from the tip of the builder gel.
So if I had a microscope, I'll try and take a picture of it once the polish is on because you can see it a bit better. But what that does is, like I said, it pulls your nail a little bit behind the builder gel. So that means that your natural nail isn't at the very edge.
Oh my god, 7 minutes. So I've been talking for 7 minutes. Great. This is the color I'm going to be using today. I haven't actually done this on my own nails yet, but I have used it on a couple clients before. I will try and put a picture up of who I've done. I think I've only done the main color on her nails, but I will put up a picture here. I'll put up a picture right here. It is number 120 from I believe they changed their name actually. I am used to calling them Valentino Beauty Pure, but I think they just changed it to V Beauty Pure 120. And this is what it looks like. So it's a very dark green with some shimmer in it. And I'm so excited because I haven't done a glitter set in so long myself, and I love glitter, but I also love like just a plain color. So this is like, I am super stoked for this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. This one looks so cute. Okay. Stop. Okay, here we are. I am absolutely wiped right now. Like, I am tired, despite the Celsius, despite doing my nails and being happy that they're done. And oh, I didn't even show you them yet, I don't think. Here they are. I don't know if you can see them. I want to get good lighting for you. Actually, let me oil them real quick. This is Young Nails. Out the shimmer and position. I like the color from far away. From far away it looks black, but then you get closer and it looks dark green, foresty green, perfect for Christmas. Yeah, nails are done. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm going to pack everything up, load it all into the car, and drive my little butt home. I was thinking about going to the grocery store afterwards and getting some things for meal prep for the week, but you know, I don't think this is the week that meal prep is gonna happen. I am too dang tired right now. I'm thinking we're gonna do a quick time lapse of me cleaning up so you can see what it's like, because with my situation, I do have to pack up all my stuff and bring it with me when I'm not here. Time lapse of that, see me walking out and locking up. Bye. That was so quick. Bye, I'll talk to you later.
Before I say anything, I would like to start off by making clear that I am not ungrateful. I am very thankful for this opportunity to have worked here, but let me tell you, this entire setting up and breaking down thing was a pain in my butt. So now that I'm in a new environment where I'm able to just walk in and do nails, just know that I will never take that for granted, especially after this.
So, here's the front of the salon. It's decorated very beautifully. All my things are piled out here, my bag, my table, my box, and my other bag. My car is in the parking lot over there. You can't really see it, it's the only black one. Literally the only car in the parking lot. I'm gonna pull everything up and then load everything up and be on my way.
Life has its ups and downs, and this would be a situation that would be an example of the downs, because as soon as I got home, I noticed that each and every one of my nails, except for maybe the pinky, had a gel bubble in them, because I put on the product with a very heavy hand while using a light that was $20 off of Amazon. Now, I know that was my fault. I should have known better, but it doesn't change the fact that it made my night awful, because I spent another hour after I got home doing this lovely color on my nails. I picked the lightest color possible as to not run into that incident again. So, thank you for watching. More videos like this in the future. Peace out.